Mynta sngi lai phau tarik naiwieng hajar phulai ka Ophis treikam jong Block Development Officer BDO Mawthadraishan Block lambat ka jingiasnohktilang ki tnad treikam Sorkar bapher naga thain East and West Khasi Hills District kila Pynlong ya ka program Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra ha ka skul Myriaw Secondary School Myriaw Mawthadraishan C&Rd Block kum bynta bnai ka Jingtip ki paidbah nongshong shnong ya ki Skhim bapher kiba leng ba ka Sorkar Pdeng ki tnad treikam jaga Sorkar Jylla bnai ka jingmanto ya ki riu shimet lani kinu ki ba sengkam la jong bat kum juru ya ka shnong ka thau Hagate ka jingialang la sakhi ya ka jingadan lang Deputy Commissioner ka East and West Khasi Hills uba Gideon Karmau plang kumukongsan uba lap ai ya ka pledge harangkat ka jingwan sinran lang ADC uba A Nongbri BDO ka Mawthadraishan Block uba W.Massar lambat kirang ba kinongkit kam jong shnong Myriaw Shu hakate ka sngi kala don ru ka jing ai medical check up cheki paidbah ka baklam kanu ka jing siu bat ru ban ai la di ki paidbah ban pendrum kerteng haka Skhim MHIS bat kiwe
and increase the population of earthworms so that it will enrich the soil more. And fourth principle is mulching. Anything that you apply over the soil is your mulch. So this will protect your soil from erosion and also maintain optimum temperature for soil biological processes. And the fifth principle is multi-cropping so that you will reduce the crop risk and maintain continuity of income source.
Kiat ban syubatai Shaphang di mat jong kenika national farming ko mga laong meneru ba kadai kita baru kongrap ko bampendan kamre yaki sebuah karkhana nei kinu kita wai tintai kiba yale kat ko bala ban pendan kam de kitu ke natural farming mo te kumno kenika natural farming pede ke bapher na kataka bangilaju smo khamcha ko organic farming ru te bangi peja ko organic farming idon kam kumno kumba license ban penkelaya kataka jongi ban penkela organic but